love and passion. Small ship and owner 559. There is a great similarity between surfing a small wave and having a small fleet of below 50 ships, or the size of the ships that is small. Whether sometimes it could be a huge offshore company, or it could be a huge general cargo company, or really a small ship owner. Why? I believe there is a lot of similarities and constraints, because to surf a small wave you need to have a huge reflexes. You need to paddle much faster because you don't have enough energy. You don't have, it doesn't matter how much database you have of seafarers, you need to paddle much faster. Number 3, you need to be lean, fit, full muscle. Perhaps 20% of fat is the maximum you can have. If you have 23%, you will not catch that wave. You are not ready to crew manage that fleet. Number 4, you must exclusively dedicate yourself to that. The day you train in small waves, the day you train for small ships, we need you, a small ship owner, a small ships, a small number of ships. Even if you are large, we need you so bad, because with large ship owners and ships, we can train other things like how long could we stay underwater? Is it 6 minutes or is it 3? But you better train, yeah, just in case. Now, this is another type of different board, different training, but the small is something we have a love and a passion for. Why? Because big guns will not be interested in this small. Yes, because we need to be really with huge reflexes. We need to have the tendons, all the muscles, articles, everything must be perfect. And it's not easy to keep Candina perfect and agile. But we need you, ship owner. I think you one day will realize that the league you're playing, it is the big wave and the small wave. The league you're playing is different, and once you do that, we will tell you this is your software crew inspector, or this is your software Adonis, this is your nationality of the crew, this is your cost, this is your enlistment contracts, pilot for you, and then no one will be able to beat you in your segment. I can assure you that, because we have that love and passion, and we know what you need. And you don't need what big guns do, not at all. It's the opposite. But for us, it's a must to compete here, so we can be fit. Thank you. Bye.